Hey everybody, this is Zane from Father and Son channel. Sorry I don't have my helper with me today, Gavin, but I was doing a repair to my 2008 Mitsubishi Raider, also known as a Dodge Dakota, and I thought, well, I'm missing out on a video experience and a chance to help someone else. So what I'm going to do is I've had a broken driver's side mirror and I was replacing it. I'd already removed the door panel, but I just wanted to share with you how I did that. I was just going to point out some things to you. Really, this comes off with just 4 bolts. You have 2 screws at the bottom of the door, a screw behind the hand grab, and then a hidden screw with a cap on it here, and from there the door pretty well lifts off. The reason I'm doing this is I had an 18-wheeler clip my mirror. I've already put my mirror on, but it's simple as removing 3 bolts, running the power to it. Let me show you what I was working with before. This is the inside of the mirror. Actually bolted this little mirror on for temporarily till I could get a mirror and fix it, and couldn't find no other place, so I just put some duct tape, and excuse me for showing my fat bod, but I've got a dad's bod, of course. So this has served me well for the past month. His insurance denied it, so I bought a cheap mirror off eBay for like 30 bucks. So, in simple, the mirror removes, like I said, with these 3 bolts, which mine's power, so it has the powered capacitor here. Everything just lifted off. I left the door hanging because there was no need to remove it. And the door simply hangs on. Make sure to get it over your lock, and there's a little clip here that it slides onto to kind of hold it in place. Like I said, I don't have my little helper with me today, so I'm going to pause the video and go ahead and start the door in place. You have the door in place, and just to let you know, like I showed you the little yellow clip up top that it slides down on. There's also a hook in this area that slides back into the frame of the door. And then also a hook at the bottom, well, 2 different hooks at the bottom that slides into the door. Now you can see that it's flush. Now it's as simple as replacing 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, which I have right here on my dirty mat, and also the little plug cover. I'll replace those and I'll be right back with you. Back in my door, only thing left is this little cover. As you can see here, I just used a fine screwdriver to top it off from the back area. So let me try to do this one-handed. Looks like there's a little slot this slides in, but it's pretty weak. I'm going to have to put the camera down, I'm sorry folks. And it's very flexible, so I'm just going to push it. There it is. Well, I hope everyone liked this video and it was beneficial to someone. Like my little assistant says, hit that like button, subscribe, and click to be notified of that future videos coming up as I continue to do some jobs on my 2008 Raider, or you may call it a Dodge Dakota. Feel free to drop me any questions. I'm always glad to help. Over and out.